Okay, today we are going to make some fresh squeezed lemonade. I have 4 lemons. I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to cut them in half. These have been washed. I'm going to cut 3 of them up. Making 2 liters lemon juice, lemonade. So I'm going to squeeze them so they're fresh squeezed lemonade. This is so easy to do. If your lemons are room temperature, it's a lot easier to squeeze. So after I get that poured, I got my 2-liter glass bottle and I had 3/4 of a cup of sugar. If you like your lemonade really sweet, go ahead and add another 1/4 of sugar. I'm going to dump my lemonade and we just squeezed right inside. Bit left in there. And as you can see on the top, we collected all the seeds, so we don't have to worry about fishing those out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling it up with water. Okay, I got it filled up with water. I'm just gonna give it a mix so all the sugar gets dissolved in there. And I can see 1 tiny seed in there. I'll fish that out in a little bit. And it really is that easy to make homemade lemonade. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out some of our other fantastic recipes.